Welcome to the Success Series. I'm Landria Onkka, your host on this journey to success. Are you experiencing that, or are you just caught up in the blah, 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 blah out there of everybody talking about how things are, and nobody knows. Nobody knows. Can we get on to providing solutions? Can we get on to the business of doing good things on this planet? I'm going to say this to you. Why not me? When I go into a space, which I call the miracle space, and if you've been to landriaonkka.com, you know that I teach this. I teach people how to go in the miracle space. And boy, I'll tell you what, it's not always easy because it involves pretty much letting go of everything and trusting that everything that happens to you is for you. But you are totally in control of everything going on in your life right now, which is amazing. The opportunities are huge. So I'm going to share with you, I want you to use this statement whenever you want to go into a space of something that you don't think you could possibly accomplish, and just say, why not me? So I do that all the time. I've spent a lifetime saying, why not me? And seeing myself in that position of anything, all right? So I got contacted, I should say, the other day by a movie producer. They are now looking at 4 of my movies, all right? And I was floored because I didn't submit them. They contacted me, and I'm working with some major people in the industry who make decisions for networks. And when that happened, I actually thought it was a prank, but it's not. I thought, why not me? Why not me? Of course. And so I am working now on putting out more movies for television, mostly television. And why not me? Now, when I got my first television movie with my first book ever in just a few months, and I got called and they said, they're going into production, I thought, my agent said, you don't seem surprised. I said, no, I am, but I was thinking, no, I really wasn't. Excited, yes, but I wasn't surprised because why not me, right? I'm walking down the street. Recently I saw a lottery ticket on the ground. Of course it was scratched, which means that it was a loser, right? I picked it up. No, it was a winner. Why not me? You know, when I went to Washington, D.C. to be a writer as an intern on Capitol Hill, all the positions were closed because I didn't even know that program existed. It was a scholarship program. And I thought, I'm going to submit my application anyways. And they said, it's closed, don't bother. But I did it anyways. Well, guess what happened? A position opened up for that person. He left, and they called me and said, do you want the position as a writer? Get in your car and drive to D.C. It's yours. And I thought, why not me? Just recently, I was looking for a condo here, a more permanent place. I'm here in a vacation condo for a while. And I saw the ideal condo, and I thought, that's for me. I could see myself in it. I just knew I was there, and I saw myself in it. Why not me? And so I called, and it was already taken. But I let the guy know, this is exactly what I desire. I envisioned it. I said, so when the next one comes up, call me. Why not me, right? Well, guess what he did? The next day, the person who wanted that probably found a place they liked better, and I just put my check in over at the real estate agency for my condo. Why not me? These seem like miracles. I teach this stuff. And you can do it in your life with your job, your career, anything. You want to invent, you want to create something that helps the planet, who helps other people, who does amazing things, that solves so many of these problems of our pollution and our toxins and that. What if you cleaned up water? You knew how to clean up water. Why not you? Why wouldn't it be you that creates something so out there amazing that you'll be known around the globe for coming up with an invention? Maybe it's something simple. I just bought a bamboo toothbrush, and I realized, wait a minute, even my toothbrush is plastic. I'm giving up any kind of plastic I can possibly think of, right? And somebody did a bamboo toothbrush. Why not you? Something that simple could change the planet. So when you think, wow, I've got these great ideas, oh, that's a big job, why not me? I want you to start thinking big, because there are no limits to what you can do. And if you think there are, go look at all the people who've accomplished amazing things. So many of them came from what we would call nothing. But we all have equal power. And that's you, my friend. Why not you? Is it time? Get busy. And if you're interested, you know that I got training with, you have a link here at landriaonkka.net. We're creating amazing things there. Go get the help, get the guidance, get the mentors who will help you create that invention, who will help you put the company together, to help you market the things that could change the world. Come on over, get that link right here, and come check it out. It's free. No more holding back. Why not you? I'll see you in the next video. Take care, my friend.